one of the topics that comes up a lot on Facebook are these window curtains, the blinds that you put on the door, and how to install them. It's really simple. I've seen people demonstrating how to do it, and I've seen people do it completely wrong, but I thought I'd show you. This is just real simple. You open the door, you take it like this, you put it up there. It's got magnets. That's it. And then you close the door. I mean, it's not hard. The only problem with these blinds is that if you're like at a Walmart and you're say, oh, we need to leave in a hurry, you have to open the door to take them out. That's the only problem. Okay, so the problem with doing it the right way is, like I said, if you're at a Walmart and you want to leave in a hurry, well, if it's done the right way, and you don't have to do this outside, you can just open the door like that. You can just stick it there, boom, it's done. That's the right way of doing it. But you can't really pull this out because it's pinched inside the door. So if you were at a Walmart and you had to leave in a hurry, this is what you're stuck with unless you open the door real quick and do this, you know. But you can't see out the window. So open the door, there could be somebody there. I mean, this is just for safety reasons. So a lot of people will try to get them, and they'll show you how to install them like this. It just doesn't work. I mean, you can't do that. But if you just want to try and just get one flap caught like this, okay? So now you have some privacy, but if you have to drive off in a hurry, you can pull this down like this, and now you can drive. So I mean, it's just, you know, that's just, if that is something that concerns you, is opening your door in a parking lot and not knowing what's out there, because you can't see your mirrors. You can always look out a back window, but that's just a simple way of doing it, is just to have it hooked just a little tiny bit of it, and that makes it a lot easier. So that's these are great window shades when you use them right. They're wonderful. Keeps a lot of heat out. They're insulated well.